Hello, welcome to today's immigration tidbit. So you're applying for asylum and you need to be under one of the five enumerated groups in order to have a chance at winning the asylum. A lot of people think when they come into the U.S., they just say, well, I'm having problems in my home country, and they don't show one of the five enumerated groups. Well, one of those is called a social group, okay? And just because you use one area doesn't mean you can't use another. Okay, you can try to get it under as many areas. For example, religious persecution and social group, might work. But social group is a group of people that have the same characteristics and are being persecuted in the same manner. So it's very creative how you can work with this in order to define the social group and in order to try to fall under that particular category. It's really wide open. So let's just say you're from some mountain village, and essentially all the women there are beaten and persecuted because they that's just what they do there. Okay, that could be a social group right there. It could also be, you come from a country that is primarily Muslim, and let's say that you converted to Christianity. Well, of course, that's religious persecution. It could also be a social group, which would be all people that were Muslim that converted to Christianity and that they are now being persecuted. So, when you're defining the persecution, and you are trying to show why it falls under a social group, you have to be quite specific in designating and explaining why it is a social group, why the characteristics exist, and how all of those people in the social group are being persecuted. Okay.